exponents. In an exponent, we have different parts. So we're going to write this exponent first. And we're going to label the parts of the exponent. The 10 represents the base. Okay? And with the base is the number. You multiply times its sum. Okay. This 2 is actually the exponent. This is the exponent. Who remembers what an exponent tells you? Kamani?
To multiply your base by the number of exponents.
Okay, so how many times we multiply the base, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the exponent represents how many times you multiply the base. I want you to think about something. If I had a 2, right, that would be, if I had 2 squared, then this would say what? This equals 2, just tell me how many times?
Times 2.
2 times 2, right? How many times I multiply the base? Equals 4. But if I have 10 squared, like here, right? Or 10 second power. This is also telling me what? Is it 10 times 2?
No.
No, what is it?
10 times 10.
10 times 10. But I want you to look at something here. 10 times 10 equals what?
100.
100. What if I have 10 to the third? Or 10 cubed? How many times am I multiplying now?
3 times.
3 times. Now I'm getting to multiplying 3 digits, right? 10 times 10 times 10. What is a simpler way to figure out what 10 times 10 times 10 is besides multiplying it?
You could just really just see how your 1, so your 1 would stay the same and just add your zeros.
Okay? Are we adding our zeros? Or we're
Or,
counting, right?
Yeah, counting your zeros.
Right? So we're counting our zeros. Look here. How many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3. So how many zeros are going to be in my product?
3.
3, right? My product is 1, 2, 3. So my product is 1,000. Now thinking about this, look here. How many zeros were here?
2.
1, 2. How many zeros in my
2.
product? There were 2. Are we seeing a pattern here?
Yes.
Okay, so when I'm doing powers of 10 with exponents, okay, I'm thinking about powers of 10, right? The exponent, and this is why our star is something we really want to remember. The exponent tells us how many what? What did we just learn from our pattern? How many zeros are going to be in our product? How many zeros are in the product? Again, that's something we want to smush into our brains. Powers of 10. In powers of 10, the exponent tells how many zeros are in the product. Okay. In a moment, we're going to put those two concepts together, powers of 10 and decimals. Okay? So flip your paper over. And we had place value and exponents. Now we're going to label multiplying and dividing by powers of 10. Keep today's same date.
Multiplying and dividing.
Yes. Do you have this? Okay. So on the other side, I'm going to label multiplying and dividing my marker's running out by powers